Universal cylindrical grinding machine in excellent working condition. The make of the machine is Johnson Shipman, England, and the model of the machine is 1077. The maximum length of the job machine can do is 685 mm and its center height is 175 mm. The machine is equipped with its 2-axis DRO. It is equipped with its diaphragm attachment. Equipped with its internal grinding attachment. Is a universal wheel head. The machine is complete with its coolant pump, coolant tank and its magnetic separator. And you can hear there is no extra noise from the spindle while the wheel is working, and there is no extra vibration or anything. Now we'll see different table speeds. First, show me at its minimum speed. Working at its slow speed. Increase the table speed. The table speed has been increased. Now show me at its maximum speed. Now show me auto depth adjustment feature. Now we'll see auto cut from right side only. When the table will go from right to left, there will be an auto cut. Now show me auto cut from left side only. While the table will move from left to right, there will be an auto cut. Now show me hydraulic rapid movement for the wheel head. Okay. Now we'll see plunge grinding feature. This is a continuous movement. We can increase or decrease the speed from here. The speed is increasing. The continuous movement. Okay. Now we'll see manual travels. First show me for the table movement. Now for the wheel head. Okay. The overall condition of the machine is excellent.